She's a vacuum cleaner saleswoman. I am the house girl.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Yes, I'm coming. Good morning.
Good morning. Is your mother in?
My mother? I'm the mother of this house. What do you want?
Dust, madam.
Dust?
Yes, madam. Dust.
I haven't got any dust.
Oh, yes, you have. All over the carpet here.
Hey, I've just cleaned this carpet. Why are you putting dust all over it?
Don't worry, madam. I've got the answer to all your problems here. The superlative vacuum cleaner.
The superlative vacuum cleaner. Why is it called superlative?
Because, madam, everything about it is superlative. It's the quickest, the cleanest, the cheapest, the smallest, the smartest, the most effective, the most beautiful, the most revolutionary vacuum cleaner in the world, and it's only 65 pounds.
Are you trying to sell me a vacuum cleaner?
Yes, madam.
Well, go on.
I finished, madam.
You're finished. You haven't said very much. What sort of vacuum cleaner are you?
Not a very good one, I'm afraid.
I can't see that.
No, I'm a very good, bad vacuum cleaner saleswoman. In fact, I'm the worst vacuum saleswoman in our company.
The worst?
The worst! I sometimes think I'm the worst vacuum cleaner saleswoman in the world.
Oh dear. Do you like your job?
Like my job? No, madam. I detest my job. It's the most boring job in the world. Every day is the same. Good morning, young lady. Is your mother in? The superlative vacuum cleaner. The quickest, the cheapest, the cleanest, the smallest.
Well, is it the quickest?
No, it's probably the slowest.
Is it the cleanest?
Cleanest? Don't make me laugh. I don't think there's a diet vacuum cleaner on the market. And it certainly isn't the cheapest either.
No. This is not good at all.
Pardon?
Look, do you want to sell this vacuum cleaner or don't you?
I suppose so.
Well, your sales technique is all wrong.
Is it?
Yes, I could sell vacuum cleaner better than you.
No, you could not.
Yes, I could. I will show you. You come into the house and I will ring the bell and sell the vacuum cleaner to you.
You'll sell the vacuum cleaner to me?
Yes.
Okay, but it isn't as easy as you think.
We will see. Stay inside and shut the door.
All right.
Ding dong.
Not today, thank you.
Ding dong.
Yes?
Hello.
Hello.
My goodness me, what a beautiful house you have.
Oh, do you like it?
Like it? It's the most beautiful house I've seen for a long time.
Thank you very much.
May I come in? Oh, thank you. What a colorful carpet.
Yes, it's lovely, isn't it?
It's the most colorful carpet I've seen for ages. I should think it was very expensive.
The most expensive one in the shop.
And I suppose you've got a very good vacuum cleaner to look after it.
A vacuum cleaner? I haven't.
You haven't got a vacuum cleaner?
No?
Well, madam, this is your lucky day because I've here the best vacuum cleaner that money can buy. The superlative vacuum cleaner.
Is it really good?
Good? Good. It is the
Quickest.
The quickest,
Cleanest.
the cleanest, the cheapest, the smallest, the smartest, the most economical, the most effective, the most beautiful, the most revolutionary vacuum cleaner in the world.
Oh, how much is it?
Just 65 pounds to you, madam.
I'll buy one.
Good.
Where's the money?
It's in my handbag on the table kitchen here.
All right. I'll just go and get some money.
Good idea, madam. You made the right decision.
Do you know, you're a fantastic saleswoman.
Oh,
You've got a fantastic sales technique.
do you think so?
Yes! You've got the best sales technique I've seen all day.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $65. Now that's the way to sell a vacuum cleaner.